Halito. So today I'm gonna give you guys two short phrases, and the first one's gonna be ano akia. Ano akia. So ano refers to me, and then akia means to or also. And so ano akia means me too or me also. So if you got that coworker that says, "Man, I'm just ready to go home," you can say to them, "Ano akia, me too." And the second phrase is going to be chishno akia. Chishno akia. So chishno referring to you, and then akia to or also. And so chishno akia meaning you too. And then you have the same coworker that says, "All right, I'm heading home. You be careful." You can say chishno akia, you too. And so ano akia, chishno akia. I hope this helps, and I hope you use it. Hacha peace, alachigi.